4x launch for him?
Good morning, everybody. Today we're going to be doing something cool. This will be the first time I've ever done something like this. We're going to be going up to this place called Bunce up here in Colorado. It is like an off-road trail, and yes, Charlie is coming with me. Now I shouldn't have to tell you guys, but y'all need to be a little bit nicer. Charlie is a friend, so just remember that, guys. There's no beef or anything going on. So all those comments about this and that about his car, there's no need for it. So anyways, we're gonna go meet up with them. We just got some E85. Yeah, it should be a pretty fun little thing. Never done this before. Charlie has been up there before with this wagon, so I'm kind of curious to see what it's gonna be like. It should be pretty fun nonetheless. Wyatt's going up with his Jeep that he just got, so I'll show you guys that when we get there. Let's head over there. Dang, girl, look at that sick rig. Oh, freaking Wyatt. Y'all already guessed it.
What's up, boy? Tell you what.
If y'all don't know, this is Wyatt.
This is Whit.
We're in his new little sick-ass Jeep he's got. He's got it all lifted and stuff. Yeah. Go check it out on his channel, at Sketchy
cool.
DA.
Yeah, boy.
You already guessed it. We together, we go get some food.
Right, bro. We always getting food, huh? Everywhere we go, dude.
Everybody says that. Literally, every video you say you're getting food. It's like, yeah, because we're always hungry.
Always hungry. Look, we eat like 6 times a day, you know, and it's not like full meals. We just go and get a food, and then we get more food, and then more food.
We hang out, do something for a little bit, and then get bored. And we're just like, well, you want to get some food? Yeah.
Like that meme you just shared. Me at every job site I ever go to, first thing, you want to get food?
Literally. But anyways, we're just waiting for everybody else to show up, get some food. He's gonna get some fuel, and then we're gonna head up there.
Hells yeah, boy.
Check it out, guys. Made it up here to Bunce. It's actually pretty cool. We got everybody out here. Got the wagon, Wyatt's Jeep, the whole crew out here. All this snow. It's gonna be so much fun. Got Charles,
I'm surprised so many of us
Wyatt.
got up and came this morning.
I know. These are the original tires. They're like 5 years old, so we'll see how bad this thing does in the snow. It's gonna be some fun. Nah, you'll be all right.
Nah, Hondas don't need air now.
Yeah, let's mob out, dude. This is gonna be some fun. Slid into us. Yeah. What a dip. It's icy though. Just watch that. We crawling, baby. Not really, but
Nah, this is nothing yet. Get up on this wall.
Wyatt versus the big rock. Second attempt. Oh, go killer, go! There we go. Oh shit!
Is that drive shaft or not?
Skid plate.
Okay.
Oh. Give her the beans, bud.
Yeah.
Oh, you made it. There you go.
Little finessing.
He's wheeling now. Little sketchy DA wheeling.
I think he's certified wheeler now.
Yeah, who's the hardcore off-roader now, bitches?
First time out on the rigs with this thing. I'm the best.
Seen the trails out here back in my day.
I'm the best trailer ever was. I piss excellence.
More about wheeling.
Try to make it up this really steep part. We're going like a little easier way, but we're gonna go in super low over them.
Yeah, I'm getting close to this tree.
God damn.
You go. Hell yeah. Slide.
Oh my god.
That's super low, baby!
I can't believe you made it up that
It really
thing.
did super low the whole way up. It just mobs it, dude.
That was tight.
That
dude.
super low gear is sick. Like, I just let it eat. Like, I lowered the RPM down to stop it spinning. Just let it eat and it just fucking go.
Listen to this pro four-wheel driver now. Fucking clown.
side. Oh, and just flex it a little. On this rock. There we go.
Park it! Park it! Leave it!
Yeah, don't.
You are.
Oh, we flexing hard. Dude, hey, go push down on the backside, see if it moves. I have a feeling it's gonna move. Oh! Oh! Flexing.
Feeling now.
No, don't do it too much. We can come off.
Big flexing.
Oh, you're gonna make it come off. Oh, she's rolling. Flexing. Flexing hardcore. This is what these Jeep dudes do. It's basically a Jeep. Alright, so we're going back down. It's pretty fun. Got to a point where like nobody could go up the part of the hill, so
Way too icy.
yeah, it was really icy. So we're gonna go get some food now though. Just doesn't want to let loose.
No. It's got too much traction.
Even with bald ass tires. Should we do a 4x launch for
Yeah.
him? Love that. It's like not even like clutch kick, it's like a launch kick. We do one. I want to try and do an all-wheel drive like drifting. I want to turn.
Do some donuts. There you go, keep it going.
Oh my god, what a cock.
Fuck you.
Oh, god, I want
Alrighty guys, that's gonna do it for this video. I really hope you guys enjoyed this. I know I had a shit ton of fun going up there and hanging out with everybody, so I hope you guys enjoy it. Charlie had a lot of fun too. He said that he is down to go some more this summer. Maybe we can go up there when there's a little bit of mud. We'll have to get a filter and stuff for the turbo, but that's no big deal. And then obviously Wyatt will be going up there more too because he has that Jeep, so don't forget to go check out Wyatt's channel. It was a hell of a lot of fun hanging out with everybody again, doing car stuff again. It's been a couple of years since all of us have done car stuff together, and I forgot how much fun it was. So thank you guys for watching. We'll see you guys in the next video. Man, that was a blast.